On your dashboard, navigate to Expense Inquiry and create an inquiry profile from here. In the Expenses header, you can use a variety of filters. Go to the State filter, which has a drop-down menu of options. The current state should be changed to Released, so that only the released documents are displayed. After applying the filters, save the profile by clicking the star icon in the upper right-hand corner. Input a name and ensure the privacy is set to public, so that the gadget can be visible on the dashboard. Next, navigate to Configuration and then to Gadgets, where you can build a new gadget. You can name the gadget from here, in this case, Expenses to Approve. There are various gadgets with various ways of data visualization, but if you only need a simple list of documents, choose Top N. Then you can choose the inquiry profile you saved earlier as the data source, where you can then choose the data attributes to display. Since this gadget is a list of documents, you can customize how many entries appear in it. Once you're satisfied, simply save the gadget to see the preview of how it will look. Now that the expense approval gadget has been made, you can now head over to your dashboard and add the new gadget. Now you can see your new gadget you've created at the bottom. Select the expense approval gadget, preview it, and then add it to your dashboard. Adjust the size and arrange it to your liking. And once you're happy, simply save it and you're all done.